The Sagacious Monkey and the Boar, Japan. Once there lived a monkey man in Japan who earned his living by taking round a monkey and showing off the animal's tricks. When his monkey became old, he began forgetting his tricks. Not even his master's harsh beating could make him dance and perform properly. The man decided to sell him to a butcher. When the monkey came to know about this, he went to the wise wild boar in the forest and told him his tale of woe. They both made a plan, and the monkey went home happy and excited. Next morning, the master's wife began her household work and placed her child near the porch. Suddenly, the boar took her child in its clutch and disappeared through the gate. The monkey ran after the thief as hard as his legs would carry him. The couple's gratitude knew no bounds when the faithful monkey brought the child safely back to their arms. The man gave up his thought of selling the monkey to the butcher. The monkey was patted and lived the rest of his days in peace. His master never beat him again, even though he did not perform his tricks well. How Saint Peter lost his hair. Germany. Saint Peter was entirely bald, except for a single lock of hair that fell over his forehead. Once, while he and the Lord Christ were traveling together, they came to a farmhouse where a woman was just cooking up some large yeast pancakes in grease. Saint Peter entered the house to beg for some pancakes, while the Lord waited outside. The woman gave Peter 3 pancakes, but Peter was selfish. When the pancakes were divided up, he quickly hid one of them in his cap, then put it on his head. He pretended that he had received only 2 pancakes, one of which he gave to the Lord. The pancake under his cap was still hot, and it began to burn Peter terribly on the head, but he could not do anything about it. He just had to bear the pain. Later, when he took off his cap, he discovered that the hot pancake had burnt into his head a large bald spot, which remained with him as long as he lived. Only the lock of hair that had protruded from the front of his cap was spared. Thus, Saint Peter's bald head had 1 lock of hair in front. The Devil as Partner. Switzerland. Once a journeyman stayed in an inn for many days. When the innkeeper asked for the bill, he told that he would pay the bill the next day because he did not have enough money. After a while, a black devil appeared before the journeyman and asked him to stay in the inn for 7 years. He promised to keep him out of debt and provide all that he wanted, but asked him not to wash himself, nor to comb or cut his hair or nails. The journeyman agreed. The journeyman stayed at the inn for many years, paying all his bills, but he had become wild in appearance because of his dirty body, long and dirty hair and nails. One day, a merchant friend of the innkeeper badly miscalculated in a business deal and could not get out of the difficulty. The innkeeper took him to the journeyman, who agreed to pay the merchant's debts if he married his daughter to the journeyman. The merchant agreed, and the wedding occurred in a church. When the journeyman turned into a handsome nobleman, he thanked the devil for being his partner. A friend in need is a friend indeed. England. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a forest. One day, after a heavy meal, it was sleeping under a tree. After some time, there came a mouse, and it started to play and jump on the lion. Suddenly, the lion got up with anger and looked for those who disturbed its nice sleep. Then, the lion saw a small mouse standing trembling with fear. The lion jumped on it and caught it in its paw. It started to kill the mouse. The mouse suddenly started requesting the lion to forgive it. The lion felt pity and left the mouse. The mouse ran away in its home near the tree. One day, the lion was caught in a net by a hunter. The hunter left the lion in the net, thinking he would take it the next day. The little mouse was watching the whole incident. The mouse came quietly after the hunter had left and cut the net. Thus, the lion escaped. Thereafter, the mouse and the lion became friends. They lived happily in the forest afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.